Welcome! I'm SM, and today we're exploring Kerala, famously called God's own country. This lush paradise on India's southwest coast is stunning, but don't worry, you won't need a divine bank account to visit. I'll show you how to experience Kerala's magic: tea hills, tranquil backwaters, ancient cities, and dramatic beaches without breaking the bank. I've done the research, found the deals, and I'm here to share all the secrets. So grab a chai, get comfy, and let's dive into Kerala's must-see spots and budget travel tips. By the end, you'll have a real plan to make your Kerala dream trip happen. Let's get started. First stop, Munnar, the emerald heart of Kerala. Imagine endless green hills, cool air, and tea plantations stretching as far as you can see. Here, you can tour plantations, try your hand at tea plucking, and learn how your morning brew is made. The best time to visit? September to March, post-monsoon, when everything's fresh and vibrant. Don't miss the Tata Tea Museum for a taste of history and a proper tea tasting. Skip fancy hotels. Opt for homestays for authentic food and local tips. Public buses make getting around cheap and easy. Munnar proves you don't need a fortune to feel on top of the world. Trek, sightsee, or just sit and soak in the views. This is nature at its finest. Watch tea pickers at work, explore hidden waterfalls, and catch a sunrise you'll never forget. Every corner here is a postcard. Munnar is the perfect start to your Kerala adventure. Ready for the next stop? Let's go. Next up, Alleppey, the legendary Kerala backwaters. Picture palm-lined canals, floating villages, and life moving at the pace of a gentle current. Houseboats are the classic experience, but if you're on a budget, hop on a local ferry or hire a shikara canoe for a more intimate ride. Watch daily life unfold, kids waving, fishermen casting nets, and birds swooping for fish. The food? Unbeatable. Fresh-caught fish, spicy prawn curry, and coconut-rich veggies, often cooked right on your boat. Stop at a toddy shop for local palm wine and seafood. The backwaters aren't just scenic, they're a window into a unique water-bound culture. It's peaceful, humbling, and unforgettable. Whether you splurge or save, Alleppey is a must. Ready to trade water for city streets? Kochi awaits. Let's go. Welcome to Kochi, a city where history and modern life blend seamlessly. Fort Kochi is the heart. Colonial bungalows, ancient churches, and the iconic Chinese fishing nets. Watch fishermen at sunset, then wander into a hip cafe or art gallery. The Kochi Muziris Biennale and vibrant street art scene make this city a creative hub. Explore Matancherry's narrow lanes, the old Jewish synagogue, and antique shops in Jewtown. Food here is a highlight. Buy fresh seafood at the waterfront and have it cooked on the spot. Try a banana leaf meal for a true local feast. Getting around is easy. Walk, rent a bike, or hop in a tuk-tuk. Stay in a guest house for a budget-friendly central base. Kochi rewards curiosity. Slow down, explore, and soak in the layers of culture. It's a city that invites you to linger. Next, let's get wild in Kerala's forests. Onward to Thekadi. Time for adventure. Welcome to Thekadi and the Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary. This isn't a zoo, it's wild India with elephants, deer, and more roaming free. Take a boat safari on Periyar Lake. Keep your eyes peeled for wildlife at the water's edge. For a closer look, try bamboo rafting or a guided jungle trek with the Forest Department. Entry fees and safaris are affordable. Book online to skip the lines. Stay in nearby Kumali for budget accommodation and easy park access. Don't miss a spice plantation tour. Smell, taste, and learn about Kerala's famous spices. Thekadi is a feast for the senses. Wildlife, nature, and culture all in one. It's an essential stop for any Kerala itinerary. Ready for more green? Wayanad is next. Let's keep moving. Wayanad is Kerala's wild, misty frontier, perfect for trekkers and dreamers. Hike up Kembra Peak for epic views and the famous heart-shaped lake. Explore ancient Edikal caves with prehistoric carvings. Discover waterfalls like Suchipara and Meenmati. Go boating on Pukod Lake. Stay in a local homestay for authentic food and insider tips. Wayanad is less crowded, more rugged, and incredibly affordable. Getting here takes effort. No train station, so arrive via Kozhikode and take a bus. Rent a scooter to explore at your own pace. This is the place to disconnect, breathe fresh air, and get a little muddy. Wayanad is for the adventurous soul. Next, let's hit the coast for some serious relaxation. Varkala, here we come. Don't miss it. Varkala is Kerala's cliffside beach paradise. Picture dramatic cliffs, ocean views, and a laid-back bohemian vibe. Stroll the cliff path, shop, or join a yoga class. Head down to Papanasam Beach for a holy dip, or find solitude at Black Beach or Odayam Beach. The food scene is unbeatable. Pick your fresh fish, choose your style, and dine with a sunset view. Guest houses are cheap, especially off the main strip. Rent a scooter to find your own secret beach. Varkala is perfect for unwinding after your Kerala adventure. It's a backpacker's dream. Relaxed, affordable, and unforgettable. Next, let's wrap up with a classic beach resort. Kovalam is calling. Let's finish strong. Onward. Last stop, Kovalam, Kerala's iconic beach resort. 3 crescent beaches with Lighthouse Beach as the lively hub. Try surfing, parasailing, or climb the lighthouse for epic views. Escape the crowds at Hawa or Samudra Beach for a quieter vibe. Prices are higher in peak season, so visit in the shoulder months for deals. Accommodation ranges from luxury to budget guest houses. Kovalam is also a center for Ayurveda. Treat yourself to a massage or wellness session. It's the perfect spot to end your trip. Sun, sea, and a touch of rejuvenation. Kerala's coast has something for everyone. Ready to plan your own adventure? Let's wrap up. That's Kerala, a land of tea hills, backwaters, wild forests, and stunning beaches. Every corner offers a new adventure, a new flavor, and a new story. The real magic, the warmth of the people, and the peace you'll find here. Start planning. Kerala is more accessible than you think. If you enjoyed this guide, hit like, subscribe, and let me know your favorite Kerala spot in the comments. Where will you go first? Or if you've been, what's your top tip? Thanks for joining me. Travel safe and stay curious. See you on the next adventure.